Ramanujan for G is now available on the Google Play Store. Try it out for free.
Good morning, class. In today's lecture, we will be looking at some more points. Okay, so which is related to our straight line chapter. Okay, so let's discuss it one by one. Okay, so then later we will move to the question part, or we will take previous year question. So a line passes through x and x1 and y1. If intercept between axes which divides in the ratio m n is to n at this point, then that equals in equation is like mx by x1 plus my by y1, which is always equals to m plus n. Like if we draw diagrams, so it will be m and it is n. So this is point p of xy with reference. Okay. Second point, like a line of gradient, a line of gradient is equally inclined with two lines of gradient, m1 and m2. Then we can refer like m1 minus m divided by 1 plus m1m, which is equals to minus of m2 minus m divided by 1 plus m2m. Okay, so first copy these 2 points, then we will move to the next part. Now the next point, like if a plus b plus c, then line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 passes through 0 comma 1, right? Next is if y is equals to m1x plus c1, y is equals to m1x plus c2, and y is equals to m2x plus d1, and y is equals to m2x plus d2. So these are sides of parallelogram. Then its area will be c1 minus c2. Similarly, d1 minus d2 divided by m1 minus m2. Okay. So these are the 4 points which we need to remember while solving the questions. Okay. So now we will move to the question part. Okay. Okay. So the first question, like the distance, of point 2 comma 3 for line from line 2x minus 3y plus 9 is equals to 0 measured along a line x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so like options are given under root 2, 4 root 2, root 8, and 3 root 2. Okay, so these are the 4 options which are given. So we need to solve the question. So like the slope of the line is given in the form x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. So slope of line is 1. Okay, so like it's an making a 45-degree angle. Slope 1 means 45-degree angle with respect to x axis. Okay, so like the equation of line passing through the point 2 comma 3 and making 45 degree will be x minus 2 divided by cos 45 is equals to y minus 3 divided by cos 45 is equals to r. Sorry, this will be sine 45. Okay, so we are using the property like x minus x1 divided by cos theta is equals to y minus y1 divided by sine theta is equals to r. So after solving, you will get 2 plus r cos 45 plus 3 plus r sine 45. Okay, like coordinates of any point. So these will be 2 plus r by root 2. So 3 plus r by root 2. Right. So finally, if the point lies on the line which is given 2x minus 3y plus 9 is equals to 0, then 4 plus r root 2 minus 9 minus 3r by root 2 plus of 9 is equals to 0. So finally, the answer will be 4 root 2. Okay. So this is the required distance. Okay, so means option number 2. Okay. Okay, so next second example, like if a minus 2 and 1, b is 2 and 3, and c is minus 2 minus 4, are 3 points, then the angle between BA and BC is, so like the angle are given in format tan inverse 3 by 2, second tan inverse 2 by 3, the third is tan inverse 7 by 4, and fourth is none of these. Okay, so solution, like let m1 and m2 be slopes. Okay, like m1 and m2 be slopes of BA and BC, right? So m1 is equals to 3 minus 1, 2 minus of minus 2, which will be 2 by 4. So finally it will become half. So and divided by m2 will be minus 4 minus 3 divided by minus 2, which is 7 by 4. So let theta be angle between this BA and BC. Theta be angle between BA and BC. So tan theta is equals to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So finally it will become 7 by 4 minus half divided by 1 plus 7 by 4 into half. So which will be 10 by 8, which will be 10 by 8 divided by 15 by 8. So it will be equals to plus minus 2 by 3. So theta is equals to tan inverse 2 by 3. Okay. So you can copy this, then we will move to the next question. That's the last one. It was like not time as I come. This was like I think currently this is comments mentioned many others joining payroll. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But should be showing. Hmm. At least yes. It was tough. Right. Okay, so next problem. Like a straight line perpendicular to line 5x minus y equals to 1. So the area of triangle formed by line with the coordinates x's is 5. Then we have to form the equation of line. Equation of line. So try to solve this question, then we will look at this. Some few days. Thank you. Okay, so let's solve. So like first, we will look at the locus that line L cuts A and B, which is OA is equals to A and OB is equals to B. That means area area triangle OAB is equals to half AB is equals to 5. So this is the equation number 1. Okay, so now the equation of line perpendicular to lines 5x minus y is equals to 1, which is x plus 5y is equals to k. So like putting x is equals to 0, which is k by 5 is equals to b, and y is equals to 0, and x is equals to k is equals to a. So we can see half of k into k by 5 is equals to 5, which is the from equation first, right? So hence the required equation will be from k square is equals to 50. So it will be k is equals to 5 by root 2. So we can see x plus 5y is equals to plus minus under root of 2. So this is our answer, right? So I hope you have got the answer. Okay. So we'll see more problem in the next lecture. Okay. So today we are going to wind up this lecture here. So thank you guys.